Tabby, did you do this? You climbed on top? Tabby, did you do this? You made a mess? You made a mess? What did you eat? Did you eat my fruit? Tabby, did you eat my fruit? Was that you? Look at me. Did you eat my fruit? What did I say about eating food on the table? What did I say about making messes? Don't be a bad girl. Don't do that again. Tabby, you wanna look at me? Tabby, sit down. Let me see. Are you guilty? Did you do this? You did this? You knocked my little fruit bowl down? Tabby. Tabby, look at me. Tabby, don't be a bad girl. Say sorry. Say sorry, Mama. Say sorry. You gonna be good next time? Don't do that again, okay? No. I heard you from across the other way of the house. Don't do that again. Okay. Don't do it again.